Alright, welcome to another lesson. Today we'll be working on E flat major pentatonic scale. A pentatonic scale is just a 5-note scale and an open scale for us to use for improvisation. So it's cool that you know how to play the scale in and out. For example, how do we realize a pentatonic scale from a regular major scale? In a regular major scale, we have the root, the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, the sixth, the seventh, and the eighth, which is the repetition of the root. So, for us to realize a pentatonic scale, this is what we do. We do away with the 4th degree and also the 7th degree. In this case, the 4th degree of E flat major scale will be A flat, and also the 7th degree of E flat major scale will be our D. So we do away with the A flat and D. Then we realize a pentatonic scale. Alright, after playing the scale, you also want to stick around by playing some technical exercises. Very cool. So that you can have a feel of this scale and know how to apply this scale into whatever you want to use it for. The next thing is that you want to play some licks, some pentatonic scale licks, and also see how you can do some cool phrasing using pentatonic scale. Or you might also want to create some kind of pentatonic scale melodic shapes. This will help you to have something to say when you're playing, when you're improvising. Alright, let me get into this thing without much ado. The exercises now, some of the technical exercises that you may want to try. Alright, that's the size of the lesson for today. Take your time, practice the scale, look out for some kind of pentatonic licks, and also some kind of melodic shapes that are created using pentatonic scale, and you'll be fine. Though I'm gonna be dropping some other series of lessons on pentatonic scale, which we will title it Working with Pentatonics or Working with Pentatonic Scale. That's when we'll really dig deep to see how we can create some kind of melodic shapes around a pentatonic scale and also apply them, using them for our improvisation. Please, to get more of these videos, click the subscribe button, turn up the notification button so that whenever I post new videos, you'll be updated. You'll be the first person to see my videos. Happy shading. Take care.